Hey, what's up, guys? It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Moderoid, the Tzendolg or Tzendolimble, or Tzendolg or Tzendolimble, as I saw it in the Japanese text. So it's from Moderoid, Good Smile, and one of I really like this kit. It's like a centaur kit, and yep. Napaka-unique nga tingnan kasi it's my first time na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng model kit na mukhang centaur knights, ganyan. And this is from the Knights and Magic anime. Sad to say, hindi ko pa napapanood yung anime na yan, but yep, I am very interested with their kits, especially this one. Kaya nga yan, in order ko at binili for my collection. And color scheme also of this kit is very unique. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-green niya. And at the same time, yung black and yung gray and yung dark gray talaga nagko-complement sa isa't isa. And sad to say, hindi ko pa nakakabit yung mga stickers niya. Marami siyang stickers dito eh. Tinatamad pa akong ikabit kasi. Ito. Meron siyang mga clear stickers. May mga crest din siya, which is very nice. Ang galing. Gusto ko yung crests. Ganda. And it has 3 styles and colors para dun sa chest part niya. And I think it has a meaning. Yung white yata is yung protagonist, or yung kung magiging pula is I don't know. Kasi ano na to eh, pre-painted part, kaya hindi ko na masyadong binalak ikabit pa because of that pre-painted portion. So ayoko nang ikabit yan, except for the crest. Later on I will apply on the shield para maging ganito siya. Ayan. So this kit honestly doesn't have any magandang pose. Hindi siya ganun kagandang i-pose because ito na talaga yung pose niya. It's a centaur kit. Although mayroong mga articulation dito sa paa niya. Ito can do kicks and rotate 360 degrees all. Tapos dito sa mga hind legs niya, dito sa may calf na to, is yan, movable naman, pero medyo ingat lang kasi sabi ko nga, Moderoid has a very fragile plastic kung di ka maingat, lalo yung mga release from 2023 below, medyo fragile pa, pero yung mga 2024 okay na siya, medyo matigas-tigas na yung plastic nila. But the previous ones for Moderoid, medyo ingat ka sa mga joints niya. Especially dito. What I did is I did modifications sa mga parts na to. Yung mga shoulder connections dito. Kasi napaka-brittle. So, and this video, by the way, will not move anything from this kit. Kasi medyo na-trauma ako nung pinost ko kasi ito. So this is what I'm saying. I sanded these parts here and here for me to make this glide smoothly, because in the long run, matagalan, it will get stuck and it will get stiff, and if you forcefully play with this joints here, it will snap, especially this one. This is the most vulnerable part here. Okay, so now let's snap this all together like this. So shield here. Careful with this joint. This is very stiff and very prone to breakage. Prone to loosen up. Pero buti naagapan ko yung mga possible breakage and snapping of joints, lalo dito sa may shoulder. Katagalan to kung hindi mo isa-sand, mag-i-stock up siya, and that's it. And when you go to play, move those arms, possible magkaroon ng stretch mark or stress mark rather, and eventually maputol mo talaga ng tuluyan yung peg. So before that thing happened, kinalas-kalas ko muna lahat yan. I disassembled all the parts and sand the pegs for the shoulders because you need to loosen up a bit dun sa mga tight spaces and joints for it to glide smoothly. But for now, I am very afraid. I'm afraid to play this guy now kasi mabali na because still kahit na sinan ko medyo ano pa rin, medyo nag-stiff siya. I don't know what's the problem, by the way. Yan. Pero ang gawin mo lang is before you move anything, just play it well first. Yan. Medyo banat-banatin mo muna ganyan before you spin. Yan. Pero ano matigas eh. Eee, I'm scared. Anyway, I will not do that. I will just display this as it is. By the way, I replaced the hands with Dalang decal, the black one, and drill some holes on the staff for it to hold the staff with the help of pegs. Ayan. Even the shield, ayan, medyo binutasan ko yung shield dito, yung hawakan ng shield, and apply peg para mahawakan niya na maayos dito. Ayan. So this thing or this kit is not that yung kumbaga hindi siya talaga play friendly. This is just for display. Ayan. And let's go for size comparison here. We have here Gundam Gerbera GPO4, and yes, there. Yep. GPO4 is taller than the Tzendolimble. I have here Gundam Mark II. Of course, Gundam Mark II is taller than your Tzendolimble. And finally, I have here Moderoid kit, which I also had a review recently. Got this Dr. Yellow, and they're of the same height. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this short review and short commentary for this model kit here from Moderoid, Tzendolimble or Tzendolimble. Night, God bless, take care. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying thank you, goodbye, God bless. Auf Wiedersehen, masalamat pa sa inyo lahat.